Hello friends, welcome to Lax Kitchen. Today I am going to share a secret recipe of how to make mixed sauce penne pasta. Who doesn't love pasta? It's everyone's favorite including kids, isn't it? So what's so special in this recipe of mine when it's so simple to make? To answer this, I have used no maida, no butter, nor any oil. It's made using with available ingredients at home. This recipe is for anyone who is very health conscious and a fitness freak, as we have not used any maida or oil. And for the sauce, maida is generally used as a binding agent, but in my recipe I have used breadcrumbs as a binding agent. It sounds strange, isn't it? But yes, breadcrumbs acts as a binding agent too. If you don't have breadcrumbs available at home, you can use corn flour, wheat flour, oat flour, or any other flour that acts as a binding agent. But as maida is not healthy, I have not used maida at all. So I have used breadcrumbs as an alternative substitute of maida. So now let's get to the recipe making. For making this mixed sauce pasta, I have taken this bowl of uncooked penne pasta. I'm going to cook it and keep them aside. For the vegetables, I have taken 2 bell peppers and I have finely chopped them, as you can see in this video, and I've kept them aside. I have chopped 1 onion finely and I have also kept them aside. For making the sauce, I have taken the following ingredients. I have taken 1 cup of milk. This is my ready-made red sauce pasta which I have brought from the store. As I said earlier, I have taken breadcrumbs as a binding agent instead of maida. Chili flakes, oregano, and this is optional. This is my homemade pepper mayonnaise. Must be wondering why I am using mayonnaise. It gives a lovely flavor to the pasta. If you can avoid it, it's just optional. Since I have this at home available, I'm going to use this for my pasta and it will give you a creamy texture. Now let's see how to make this pasta. I've taken a white kadai, put the bowl full of penne pasta, added 2 teaspoons of salt to it and a water till they are floating, and I'm going to cook the pasta now. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the pasta to cook, and I'll keep them aside. The pasta is cooked now. I'm going to switch off the flame, drain the water and keep them aside. My cooked pasta is ready. I'm keeping them aside. Now in the same kadai, I'm going to now sort the veggies. So first I'm going to put the chopped onions and green chilies. I have added half teaspoon of salt and I'm going to sort the onions in that. So I'm not going to use any oil here. The onions have turned slightly translucent. Now I am going to add the capsicum. After the onions have turned translucent, I have added the finely chopped bell peppers, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now I am going to sort it. Keep in low flame. Keep sauteing it till the bell peppers are cooked. The bell peppers and the onions have cooked nicely, and now I'm going to transfer them and keep them separately. The sauteed onions and bell peppers are ready, and I have transferred it to this bowl and kept them aside. So now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce for it. I have used the same kadai. Now I'm going to add the milk to it. I have not even used any oil or butter to it. I'm adding the milk to it. Keeping in low flame. Keep stirring the milk for 2 minutes till it's slightly hot. The milk is slightly getting heated. Generally, we take a wide pan, add butter or ghee, and then pour the milk to it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add maida as a binding agent. But here is the secret recipe. Now instead of maida, I am going to add now the breadcrumbs slowly. And keep sauteing it. I'm going to saute it in low flame till it slightly turns thick. Keep on stirring it. Now it's time to add the spices. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The red chili flakes. Adding few quantity of oregano. Now I'm going to mix it. Yes, you can see the texture. It's getting thickened now. Keep stirring intermittently like this. You can see the lovely texture of the sauce. Now I am going to add the red sauce. Wow, the sauce is almost ready now. It's time to add the veggies and the cooked pasta. Lovely texture of the sauce, isn't it? I've added the cooked veggies, giving a nice stir for about a minute, and then I'll add the cooked pasta. I've added the pasta to it. I'm going to stir it nicely for about a minute. Let the pasta get cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes in the sauce, and then we'll switch off the gas. It's ready. I've kept in low flame so that the pasta gets cooked nicely in the sauce. So, hope you saw my secret here, where I have used any kind of oil, no maida, no butter here. So that's the secret here. Transferred it to a hot casserole. Enjoy this piping hot mixed sauce pasta, which is oil free, butter free, and no maida. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, do subscribe it. Thank you.